President of Apunba Manipur Kanba Imphal short Amkil Laurembam Nganbi has suggested Chief Minister Nongthamam to resign following the re-imposition of Afspa in some parts of the state. While highlighting Afspa as an inhuman black law, Nganbi asserted that the re-imposition of Afspa exposed the weakness and failure of government, and it will be favorable for Chief Minister Nongthamam to step down as he has failed to protect the lives and property of civilians in the state. Speaking at a press conference held at the office of All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, Imphal, Nganbi further stated that women folk have been fighting for the removal of the act since 1980, highlighting many inhuman incidents and alleged extrajudicial killings that has taken place in the past. She alleged that a re-imposition of Afspa is a threat to the integrity of the state, and it is planned by both central and state government for that purpose. Speaking further, Nganbi also maintained that the re-imposing Afspa will not bring resolution for the ongoing conflict. Rather, it only exposes the state government's inability to handle the ongoing crisis. Representatives from Nupi Samaj, Amkil, Tamichingmi, Machalema, Nimpal, ANLAPL, Anil, Taubal Ima, KKIPWVU, KNKSSL, Ichal also attended the press conference.
Afspa basi Manipur da natana PTV da thambaya da ba adugumba amuba ail amani haidana leigra kanda huji inong nong na amuk thamjalakpa haibase Manipur da atoppa mina la akanda lam lokchanna ba khopchil na ba ngakthokpa ngamdra mioi singna sarkar anisina manara kanda loktuna ra Afspa thamjillaga aikhoigi Manipur gi solution ase poraka da natte porakpa yaroi porakpa ngamloi haiba wafam se ai hamada thamjari aduga loinana Manipur da Afspa thamjallaga central forces singina aikoi khungai beicai su sing pharaga pullaga khuba cheiba tawrakanda mase mairik pidagi mejau bichoidan maki oirakani haibase masi India government na khangbam thoi loina na magi macha manau aduga machin ngokpa machan macha kanba ngamdraba sarkar asidi sarkar si leitabani hena phare aduga loina na aikoi gi CM su matam chari ngai cha pham potha hobane hena aphaba oigani haiba wafam du thamjari yumda sanga kanda nupi angang phaba haibase masi lan nate masi terrorist ni aduna terrorist bu warak pangam da ba sarkar ani sidi sarkar pai da bani hena phai